especially in classics. 1929 Ford Model A pickup Roadster. Street ratted out, bright yellow paint, and a mahogany contrasting vinyl interior. Now, let's go through this first off. Hood is steel. The box is steel, and the running boards where you step are steel. As far as glass body, glass fenders front and rear, and glass cowl. So get that straight again. Steel hood, steel bed, and where you step on the running board, steel, then glass fender, glass body. Now, Ford powered even, Ford on Ford, 302 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission. And it also has an EFI system on it, Holley Sniper EFI system. And we're going to check that out here in a bit. Pop the hood, let's check out the engine bay. First, let's take a look at this chrome. Take a look at the underside pictures too, and I tell you where to look at those here in a second. You're going to see a lot of chrome, a lot of bright work underneath here. As you can see, good looking front end. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Four-wheel disc all the way around. As you can see, steel wheels, beauty rings, center caps. This car was built in 2008, FYI. Odometer reads a little over 6,000 miles on it. There you can see the controller for the Sniper on the column. Stewart Warner gauges, Grant steering wheel, fuel cell in the crate back here. There is also a tonneau cover that snaps in, soft one. That will go with it. There's a car cover or truck cover for it, and then the top also. I will put that on here at the end and finish this video up with the top on. There's still pictures of the tonneau cover on. There's still pictures of the top on. So again, in the still pictures, you can check that all out. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear end of this, 8 3/4 rear end. MagnaFlow mufflers on it. You'll be able to see that in the exhaust pictures from the underside also. Blinkers incorporated and taillights incorporated into the rear fenders there. Blinkers are all working. Lights work. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior here a little bit closer. Seat belts, obviously. Vinyl bench seat. I'm just going to reach over and start this up. It's probably going to be the easiest here. Turn it on, fuel pump will come on, you'll hear that. Here you check out the EFI controller. Take a look at the gauges. Doesn't appear that the fuel gauge is working. Oil pressure coming up, as you can see, water temp, battery charging. That all looks good. Again, read 6213 on the odometer. Assuming that's probably since this was built. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Nothing crazy, nice little rumble. Fun one to take out in the summers. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Maybe an ice cream run. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get the hood open on both sides and check out that engine bay. I'll get the top on here. We'll check that out. We'll wrap this video up. There's that Ford power. Again, the 302 paired up with an automatic electric fan, as you can see. And the switch for that electric fan is right here, by the way. Click that on. And you can see it working. Nice bright work. Ford racing valve covers. Nice looking engine bay. Alright, so you got an idea how that sounds and looks. I'm going to button this hood back up. We'll shut it down. Let me get that top on. I'll be back. We'll finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up to take a look at. Again, cloth top. It's a kind of a canvas material. Looks like it's pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. Plastic rear window, clear, easy to see through. Look here on the passenger side, and it fits snug up front when you get it tightened down. So there you go. Looks like it'll serve the purpose. You're trying to stay dry or keep the sun from beating down on you in the summer. 1929 Ford Model A Roadster pickup, street rotted. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call them.